Associations are vast warehouses of data, yet most associations vastly underutilize their data. Forrester estimates that 60 to 73% of all data is unused for analytical purposes. But what if? What if you really had a handle on all the data your association collects? What if you really understood how data can flow through your association to create value? And what if you could access and analyze data to understand your current situation, support strategy development to advance your association, and measure the impact strategies actually make? For 15 years, orgSource has been partnering with associations to help them thrive in a rapidly changing digital environment. During our full-day workshop, The Transformative Power of Association Data Supply Chain, we look at how data must flow through an organization to create value and assess impact. In addition, we explore examples of data in action, reveal the requirements for becoming a data-driven organization, discuss the importance of asking powerful questions, review the principles of business analytics, and after the educational portion of the workshop, we put learning to the test with some fun-spirited competition. Presented with some data, we ask the teams to apply what they've learned by using the data to create strategy and present their recommendations for constructive feedback. Are you ready to harness the power of your association's data supply chain? For more information, contact Sherry Budziak at orgSource.com.